Hey, hello everybody. So today we're attaching the pockets, which is a multi-step thing, so just bear with me. The first thing you're going to do is, like always, attach nice side to nice side for the pockets. The reason for this is that way when you go into your pockets, see how this sort of matches? It makes it to where the pockets aren't noticeable. You don't have that weird white stuff sticking out. So you go and you pin them along that little straight side you have right here. And you're going to do that with all four pockets. So here, and on the back. Now, one thing I do want to mention real quick is you do not pin through all the layers, just right here. Doing the pockets is, like I said, a little involved, so let's get going. So all you're going to do is on your machine is right here. If you will take a look at the presser foot, you'll notice that I have the fabric just lined up. For the purpose of the pocket, you will not line and do markings. You will just line it up with the edge of the presser foot and follow along to sew in. So I'll get started on that, and then we'll come back once I have all four pockets attached to the sides. All right, so the pockets are now sewn on. One thing I forgot to mention last shot, and I apologize, is I set my pockets about 1/4 to 1/2 inch below the edge of this. I like my pockets a little deep, and as long as you don't go past 1/2 inch, you will still have plenty of room for your pockets. I like my pockets to feel nice and deep when I use them. So we now have the pockets attached. So now it looks like something from the area math problem of your nightmares. We are now going to attach it. So flip it to where, again, nice side to nice side. You can see this takes a moment to do. Okay, and I'm going to take a moment to pin and mark this up, and then we'll cover the last part of this step we want to do. The other steps where we actually attach it, we'll go over in the next video. All right, so as you'll be able to see in a minute, we have pinned everything, not just the pocket, but the sides of the shorts. The pocket, you're going to want about 1/4 inch going all the way around, but if you want your pockets a little smaller, you can do them a little smaller. Just don't go crazy, or you're basically not going to have a pocket at all. You also need to mark about 1/2 inch from here to here, right here, to go and help close the top part of the pocket so that way it doesn't just fly open. That just reinforces it a little bit. So you're going to make it about 1 inch long mark here. And then where the pocket is, you're going to go to here where there's the little mark in the corner. And then 1/2 inch from the edge all the way down to the bottom. This means once you are done, with the exception of the fact they won't stay on you because there's not going to be any elastic, you will almost have complete pants once you've sewn this. If by the end of class that you do this, if I don't have the video already and you want to know how to sew this, I will go over it with you. Just give me some time. So make sure to do this to both sides. That way you again have it pinned all the way around. And you have it marked everywhere. Remember, you're not going to sew here or you will not have a pocket. If you sew here, I will make you seam rip. Okay, everybody, that's it for now. Happy sewing!